and just work your way from top to bottom.
So I'm reading all the way down to 50.7. So that's almost a 9-degree difference from cleaning the coils.
So it's the middle of July, it's 84 degrees out today, and the AC units are running constantly. We actually have two AC condenser coils. This one is an older one. I think this is original to the house. This goes to the furnace and the coil in the attic. This is a newer one. This goes to the larger furnace in the basement. Now, you might know to clean, just get out there with a hose and just clean the whole coils off. Clean the radiator fins off. Maybe we have cottonwoods, maybe spray those off, and that'll help a little, and that will. Another thing is to get down here and rip out some grass or anything that's blocking airflow. The more airflow you can get through the radiator fins, the cooler the temperatures it will produce. But something you have to do maybe every year, every couple years, is actually clean it. And what I'm going to use is just Dawn dish soap and a degreaser. Now this is used for cars or anything in a shop. I'm going to put these in a garden sprayer, spray the fins, the radiator fins on the inside and outside. Try to get all that dirt and grease that's on there that won't come out when you just spray it with a hose. Now before I do that, let's go inside and actually check the temperatures as they're coming out of the vents right now.
So here we are in the upstairs, and I'm going to check the temperature for the AC unit up in the attic. And I'm reading 67.8, 67.6, 66.9, so right around 67 degrees. So here we are down on the first floor, and this is a vent that is coming from newer coil. So you can see this one is already a lot cooler, even to begin with. The other one was 67. This one I'm reading 60, 61, 59 and a half. So let's see what a cleaning can do outside and see if that makes a big difference on either of the two. And you could probably do this without a sprayer, but it's really convenient. But I'll put links for everything down in the description. So just add a little bit of soap, you don't need a ton. Add the engine degreaser. We'll just go fill this up with water.
Okay, so before doing anything, I'm just going to spray it off with the hose, get all the big stuff, rip all this grass out of here. And just work your way from top to bottom, getting in all those little radiator coils. And then when we're done here, we'll let it sit for 10 minutes, come and hose it off and see how well it worked. This is also a good time if you see some of the radiator fins that are damaged. You can get in there with a little screwdriver or something thin and metal and bend those fins back so they're working as efficiently as possible. All right, so we're going to let that sit for 10 minutes and then hose everything off. Hose everything off really well, get all that degreaser and soap off. You can see all the bubbles coming off the bottom. And then we'll go back and check and see what kind of a difference it made as far as temperature out of the vents. And here's kind of what you want to see after you're hosing this, spraying this thing off with the cleaner, is everything kind of dripping down and getting all that grime dripping down into the bottom there.
So here we are back in the upstairs checking the older compressor. 63.8. So here we are on the first floor with the newer AC unit. Let's see what the temperature difference is on this one. So I'm reading all the way down to 50.7. So that's almost a 9-degree difference from cleaning the coils.
So it's made a huge difference. Like I said, there might be some evaporative cooling effects going on because that's wet right now and it's evaporating out there. I'll check it tomorrow, but I'm really happy with how this turned out. It was less than an hour's worth of work and hopefully it'll save us a ton. So let me know what you think. Thanks.